Stanley Kubrick is very well known nowadays as the director of some of the most iconic movies ever put to film. But long before that, back in 1946, Kubrick was a 17-year-old living in New York City who had a job as a staff photographer at Look magazine. In that year, he was tasked with capturing life on the New York subway. So he took his Contax camera and rode the trains between midnight and 6 a.m. for 2 weeks. Using only the natural light, he took a series of photos that show the people of the time in ways that are not often seen.